today I thought I would bring you a video about a historical museum. This is a train museum, so if you like history or you like trains, you might be interested in stopping at the Rockdale Train Depot. This is a restored depot building for the International and Great Northern Railroad, which carried passengers for quite some time. So it is located in downtown Rockdale, which is a tiny town outside of Round Rock or Austin, Texas. And it's right on the main road. It has a cute little area there with some historic buildings, an old movie theater. There's some interesting things to see if you happen to be driving through, or if you want to do a little road trip and see an outdoor museum with some train cars. This is a great stop. So they have restored the old depot building, of course, and have a museum inside there, which is open on Saturdays and Sundays in the afternoons. So please call ahead or check the website to get the exact hours. They were closed when I went there, but I was able to walk around the outside. So you can see they have a red caboose car, and then they also have a dining car, both in excellent condition, right there on the railroad tracks. And then they also have a small red barn that is a working blacksmith shop when they're open. So today I am at the Rockdale Depot Museum. And if you like trains or kind of historic buildings and information, then you might really enjoy it. Here is their red caboose with a fresh, beautiful coat of paint. And once again, normally you can go inside, but right now they are closed. This is their tiny blacksmith shop. And they're right off the main road, so it takes no time at all when you're going through Rockdale, Texas, to do a little stop. An old-timey red barn and an old-fashioned wagon, sort of like the pioneers used here in Texas and the West. This is their blacksmith shop when they're open. Right now they're closed, but you can still see a lovely railroad car and the railroad tracks. And I think normally you're allowed to go inside, but for right now, you can just peer in the window. If you like these type of videos, please leave me a comment on where else you might like me to go. And I thought it would be a fun thing to kind of get out of the house in a safe way to walk around and see some history and do something a little bit fun for the kids or the family. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you next time.